Everyone tells you that building wealth takes decades, extreme discipline, and a financial advisor who charges you thousands in fees. But here's the truth. In 2025, the fastest growing wealth builders aren't working harder. They're using AI tools that manage their money automatically. And today I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful AI finance tools that could literally replace your advisor and start building wealth for you right now. Stay to the end because tool number 5 will flip everything you thought you knew about investing. I'm Noah Grant, your AI-powered finance guide, and this is Future-Proof Finance. Every week, I teach you how to use AI and proven strategies to save more, invest smarter, and build real financial freedom. Why this matters right now. Traditional methods are failing. Inflation is eating away at savings, interest rates are crushing borrowers, and the markets are more unpredictable than ever. But while most people struggle, those leveraging AI-powered money systems are quietly pulling ahead. And in this video, I'll break down the exact 5 tools that can help you grow wealth on autopilot. Think about Jake. He's 32, makes decent money, and puts a little into savings each month, but somehow his net worth never really grows. He keeps guessing at stocks, scrolling through Reddit tips, and stressing about whether he should buy the dip. He feels like the system is rigged, because no matter how hard he tries, he stays stuck. Then Jake discovers AI-powered finance tools, apps that track every dollar, invest automatically, rebalance portfolios, and even negotiate his bills. Within months, he's not just saving money, he's watching it grow without constant effort. That's the difference between struggling with outdated methods and letting AI accelerate your wealth. The old financial playbook is dead. Manual budgeting, picking random stocks, and hoping for the best doesn't work in 2025. Financial advisors aren't always in your corner. Many charge 1 to 2% of your portfolio. That's thousands in fees for work AI can now do better. Your biggest enemy is decision fatigue. Most people don't fail because they're dumb. They fail because they're overwhelmed by too many money choices. AI thrives where humans struggle. It analyzes millions of data points, predicts patterns, and removes emotions from money decisions. Tool number 1, Copilot tracks every dollar with real-time insights. Learns your habits, gives personalized suggestions. Example, cut food delivery by 15% and invest the difference. $2,000 saved annually. Tool number 2, Clio works like a finance chatbot. Roasts you for overspending, celebrates your wins, turns boring budgeting into a fun, sticky habit. Tool number 3, Wealthfront automates investing with low fees. Handles rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and growth strategies. Historically outperforms the average DIY investor. Tool number 4, Magnify, like ChatGPT for investing, lets you ask, what's the safest dividend stock for 2025, and gives data-driven answers. Empowers you without drowning you in spreadsheets. Tool number 5, Portfolio Pilot projects your financial future with shocking accuracy. Shows, if you save $500 per month, you'll retire at 57 instead of 67. Turns vague, someday goals into a concrete wealth roadmap. Together, these 5 tools give you the $500 savings, smarter investing, and long-term wealth growth that most people spend years chasing. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. The financial industry is built on keeping you confused. Advisors, banks, and corporations profit when you don't understand money. But AI is destroying that model. For the first time in history, the average person has access to wealth-building technology that was once locked behind billion-dollar hedge funds. And here's the kicker. AI won't just help you save and invest. Next week, I'll show you how to build a complete AI-driven budget plan that runs on autopilot. Imagine this. Instead of stressing about bills, an AI assistant negotiates them down. Instead of guessing at stocks, a robo-advisor grows your money automatically. Instead of watching your paycheck disappear, you see wealth compounding month after month. This isn't about working harder. It's about letting smarter systems work for you, so you can spend less time stressing about money and more time living your life. Here's the recap. Copilot, track and optimize spending. Clio, make budgeting stick. Wealthfront, automate investing. Magnify, research smarter. Portfolio Pilot, forecast your wealth. These 5 tools can accelerate your path to financial independence. Subscribe now to Future-Proof Finance for weekly strategies on saving, investing, and building wealth with AI. Drop a comment. Which AI finance tool would you try first? I'll reply to the first 50 with personalized tips. Because the future of wealth isn't about luck or discipline, it's about systems. And with AI, the system is finally on your side.